Hello everyone, good morning. Students, in before video we have discussed some examples of page number chapter 7 6, okay, and as I said, based upon that examples you can solve up to question number 9, number 10 also you can do it. That one I have done it for you, you can see it here. What is the question? If log of 6 equal to 0.7782, find the value of log 36. Okay, so log of 6 is given 0.7782. You have to find out this one. Okay, log of 36 you can write it as log of 6 square. Okay, and using the power law you can write it as like this, 2 log 6, and the log 6 the value is given, okay, 2 into that value you can write it, and the value will be, the answer will be 1.5564. okay, same as like this, the Wipon numbers you have to solve. Okay, already the values are given. Now students, come to question number 11. Here it is given log of 25 to the base 10 is equal to x, log of 75 to the base 10 is equal to y. Evaluate without using logarithmic tables in terms of x, y. The students, as I said before, if it is mentioned use the logarithm table, I'll distribute the log table to you, but here it is given without using the logarithm table, you have to solve the logarithm problems. Okay, when it is needed you will be provided the log table. Okay, so don't worry about it. So let's go to 11 number. Given log of 25 is equal to the base is equal to x. So that's what I have solved here. You can write it 25 as 5 square, and using the power law you can write it 2 log 5, 2 log of 5 to the base 10 is equal to x, and you can solve it as log of 5 is equal to x by this 2. Okay, now let's go to second equation. Second condition is given log of 75 to the base 10 is equal to y. That means 3 times 25 you can write it this 75. Okay, and using the product law you can separate it, log of 3 to the base 10 and log of 25 to the base 10 is equal to y. Now in place of log of 25 to the base 10 you can write the value this x. Okay, log of 3 to the base 10 plus x equal to y. Therefore log of 3 to the base 10 is equal to y minus x. This is the answer, question number 1. And number 2 is given log of 2 to the base 10 you have to find out. Log of 2 to the base 10 you can write it as log of 10 by 5 also, because if you will cancel out you will get this thing. Okay, now students, just see, using the quotient law you can write it as log of 10 to the base 10 minus log of 5 to the base 10. Okay, and already you know the base and the number will same, means the value is equal to 1. So 1 minus log of 5 to the base 10, we got it here, the value 1 minus x by 2. Just solve it by taking out the LCM. You will get log of 2 to the base 10 is equal to 2 minus x by 2. This is question number 2. Now number 12. Given log 31.87 is equal to x, write down in terms of x. Question number 1 is given log of 31.87 whole square, and number 2 log of 0.03187 to the base 10 and log of root over of 31,870 to the base 10. So students, already we have done question number 11. In terms of x and y, we have found the logarithm without using the logarithm table. Here you have to find the values in terms of x. So students, this is the homework for you. Question number 12. Do it yourself. Now let's go to question number 13. What is the question? Just see. The question is given, solve the equation. Two equations are given. I have done number 2 for you. Log of 10x plus 5 minus log of x minus 4 is equal to 2. So students, here you can use the quotient law. 10x plus 5 whole by x minus 4 is equal to 2 is given. To 2 you can write it as 2 log of 10 to the base 10, because log of 10 to the base 10, already you know it, the value is 1. That means 2 into 1 is equal to 2. You can write it as in log form like this. Okay. Now just see, you can cancel out this log. So here the value is 10 square. Okay. 10x plus 5 by x minus 4 is equal to 10 square. So 10x plus 5 is equal to 10 square into x minus 4. So you can solve it as like this, 100x minus 400. Okay. So 100x minus 10x, it is 90x, and 5 plus 400, it is 405. So 90x equal to 405. What will be the value of x? The value of x will be 405 by 90. It is 4.5. Question number 13 is over. Now students, 13 number 1, solve it yourself. Question number 14, just see. Given 2 log of x to the base 10 plus half log of y to the base 10 is equal to 1. Express y in terms of x and express as a single logarithm. Question number 2. So students, just question number 14 do as question number 11 and 12 and 15 also in terms of express y in terms of x. Okay. Now question number 16, I have done it. Just have a look at here. What is the question? See it from your book. If a equal to 1 plus log of 2 to the base 10 minus log of 5 to the base 10 and b equal to 2 log of 3 to the base 10 and c equal to log of m to the base 10 minus log of 5 to the base 10. Find the value of m if a plus b is equal to 2c. So students, here it is given a plus b equal to 2c and the value of a, b, c are given. Okay. So you can use these values like this. You write it. Then after I have written this 1 as log of 10 to the base 10. Okay. Now just add it. Okay, by using the product law and the quotient law, you can write it like this. Okay, let's go to this side, the right hand side. 2 of log of m to the base 10 minus log of 5 to the base 10. Log of, here you can write it 2 log of m to the base 10. It will be m square by using the power law. M square, and it is 5 square means it is 25. So students, just multiply this all. 180 by 5 by the product law and quotient law. 180 by 5 is equal to m square by 25. By the cross multiplication method, you will get m square is equal to 900. Therefore m is equal to 30. So 30 into 30, you know it is 900. So m square is equal to 900, m is equal to root of 900. That means m equal to 30. Now students, question number 17 is given, express as a single logarithm. Okay, in a single logarithm you have to express the simplification. 2 is given. So students, 2 is given here, half log 10 to the power 9. 2 means you can write it in log form, log of 10 base 10, and half log of n to the base 10. All are same I have written, okay, as it is. Only I have written this one in this step. In next step, use the power law. So you can write it like this, okay. Now, using the product law and quotient law, it will be 10 square into 9 to the power half means it is root 9, okay, and 5 square means 25, okay. Minus is given, so it will be in denominator, okay. 10 square into root 9 means 30, 100 into root 9 means 3, okay. 100 into 3 by 25, it is 300 by 25 is equal to what? Log of 12 to the base 10. So students, question number 18 is given, if a equal to log of 12, b equal to log of 6 and c equal to 2 log root 2. Find the value of a minus b minus c, and number 2 is given 9 to the power a minus b minus c. Students, already here the value of a, b and c is given. Use the values in that equations and you can get it, okay. And question number 19, it is given the hint. By using that hint, solve it yourself. Question number 20 also, solve it exactly as question number 16. So students, I hope you can solve it, the exercise up to question number 20 as we have discussed already, okay. So up to question number 20 is your homework, and in next video we'll discuss from question number 21 to 28, okay. So that's all for today. Thank you.